A large earthquake caused significant damage and left 3 critically injured in California's Northern Bay Area early Sunday, igniting fires, sending at least 87 people to a hospital, knocking out power to tens of thousands, and sending residents running out of their homes in the darkness. 2 adults and 1 child have critical injuries, and Queen of the Valley Hospital has treated 87 people. The city of NAPA in California wine country said in a statement Sunday, most patients have cuts, bumps, bruises, said Vanessa, spokeswoman for the hospital in Napa. She says the facility has treated a hip fracture and heart attack, but it's unclear if it was related to the 6.0 magnitude earthquake.